guys, Josh here, and welcome back to another mukbang that I'm doing.
Eating show.
Mukbang or eating show. And I have two special guests with me. So this is, what's your name?
Iyo.
And this is
Sean.
Sean. So we will be eating together because why not? And for our menu, we have this kettle corn. Wait, let me see if we have this kettle corn. It's a large. It's sweet and salty.
And
We also have Pio will be eating these Pringles, and I have these Tong Garden salted almonds. And for a drink, I'll be drinking Chucky.
And mine will be a apple mango.
So he will be eating that too. So let's get started.
Ikaw ba? Eat. Open.
Wait, let me.
Wait.
So I'm actually doing this mukbang alongside with the Summer Vlog Ventures episode. Because as you can see behind me, there's like a change in my location. I'm not in my room at home. I'm actually in a room at our accommodation. Wow. Here ay Nantulang Zamboanga.
No. Tulog ka. Kaya mag-nakil mo. Apuan.
And maybe I'm going to post this mukbang after like episode 11.
And I am trying to be a YouTuber like my big cousin over here. Alam ka, my big cousin. No, gusto na ka na ilain. Ako madali ko.
Yeah. Slowly, right? Chew slowly. This is actually quite good. The sweet and salty is quite good because they have another flavor which is they have another flavor which is cheese, but I think that's just too sweet, more than salty. So I prefer this one. Has the right amount.
When you taste this apple mango, it's more like a bit little reddier, but sometimes it's sour. And if you can just eat the skin, see I right here. It is more like no taste. It's kind of hard, but the more it's more like it will swarm here the red things. Some will be more juicy, or some will just be just like this, more like just a regular mango. But if you taste the more like really red one, it's kind of really delicious.
No, yummy kayong popcorn.
Great. Because very sweet. But I'm drinking something sweet too, so Chucky. I had this like I always keep on having this when I was still younger. Like this was like the original chocolate milk. I'm opening the salted almonds. This was like Chucky was like my original. Ooh. Chucky is like my original like chocolate milk before I discovered anything else. And Paula Estoy, if you're watching this, look. Salted almond.
And Dan TDM, if you're watching this, I'm just eating this. I'm a big fan with you. And also Jeffy.
Are you watching this? My video cooking challenge and you're gonna subscribe up your my video. Thumbs up.
For a packet this big, it's very like the contents are very small, and it's like 60 pesos. Damn expensive.
I just got this in Darwin. That's why we were more like last in here because we just stuck by. I need to pee, and that's why we get some one of these.
Don't talk while your mouth is full.
People, pwede namin change ng food, but mag-eat sila ng lain. Catch.
But if you're not around the Philippines, just come in the Philippines. There's great things to do, like great food, great tastes, great places.
I'm actually going to save some of these almonds for later because we will be staying here until tomorrow. We will be staying here for the night, and I also have some honey almonds as well, honey coated almonds, but I want to save them for later too. So maybe I'll save these for tonight. I'll be drinking something with it too. So I'll be eating this later. So let's popcorn. Vegan. This is vegan.
Thumbs up for the popcorn.
Here, that's all. Vegan.
From the tutorial nila magkuha nila sa others. Diba ka?
Finish na.
Yung hungry pa ko.
But I'm not sure if I can finish all of these.
Ilan
Okay.
ka na kong no?
I want to save some for later tonight. Gonna midnight snack.
Ilan ka na ko?
And popcorn doesn't actually make you fat. Like I saw some YouTube videos online. They said that
Check out
You
my
can-
videos eating popcorn.
you can always keep on eating popcorn, not get fat. It's just like what makes you fat is like either the butter or the oil that you put
No,
on
hindi.
it.
Nalala kong liwang.
So it depends on how much you
No food and that thing.
how much you put fat in it, like butter or oil.
But ihal pa na ko man ang barmorot.
Ew, no.
Ewan ka dili ka mag-eat anak ng nan.
Quiet, bro.
But mango, I still don't know, but it is delicious. But if you're eating like the sour mango like that, you more like put it with more like soy sauce or anything. In our language, it's called patis, like that. We will
Or sauce.
and we will more like put it in there, and it's kind of delicious. And some we put salt. Salt in our language is asin. So there's different kinds of mangoes. This one is the apple mango.
Or sauce or soy sauce. Mabilis ni ka.
when I was buying these almonds, like at the section at the aisle of the store in the nut aisle, I was contemplating on either buying like chips or nuts. These almonds, I went with the almonds instead, as you can see, because junk food isn't good for you.
Ngayon kaya kong happy.
Okay.
After any. What's after any? After any. I-edit ka na.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay. Mana?
Mama! Oh my gosh! Mama! Ano ta?
So, if you don't really understand my baby cousin, is still trying to learn English like us. In our school, one time they speak British, but it wasn't that famous anymore. But still,
So I
please,
think that's going to be it
Please.
for this mukbang, you guys.
please,
Please, check out our video, another manong our adventure.
and please subscribe and leave a like or send us some letters we need to do. But sometimes I won't be there because I'm more like in my house sometimes. Okay,
And
that's all I got.
also comment down below what you want what you want us to eat next. Or like anyway. Yeah, so I think that's going to be it. Again, and I think that's going to be it for this mukbang, you guys. Thank you for watching or like eating with us. If you were eating with us or if you were watching, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
And leave a like, subscribe, and
Or
leave a comment
check
down
out
below,
my
and I'll see you
Minecraft
guys.
videos.
And we'll see you guys next time.